everyone. Today's lesson will be solutions. What are solutions? Solutions are homogeneous mixtures of two or more pure substances. In a solution, the solute is dispersed uniformly throughout the solvent. How does a solution form? As a solution forms, the solvent pulls solute particles apart and surrounds or solvates them. Students, beware. Just because a substance disappears when it comes in contact with a solvent, it doesn't mean that the substance is dissolved. Dissolution is a physical change. You can get back the original solute by evaporating the solvent. If you can't, the substance didn't dissolve, it reacted. Properties of solutions. Some parts of solution are: the dissolving is the process of mixing one substance into another to form the solution. A solution is made up of a solvent and solutes. Generally, the solvent is a substance that exists in the greatest quantity in a solution. All other substances in a solution are solute. Types of solutions. We have saturating solutions. Solvent holds as much solute as is possible at the temperature. Dissolved solute is in dynamic equilibrium with solid solute particles. Unsaturated. Less than the maximum amount of solute for that temperature is dissolved in the solvent. Supersaturated or oversaturated. The solvent holds more solute than is normally possible at the temperature. These solutions are unstable. Crystallization can usually be stimulated by adding a seed crystal or scratching the side of the flask. We have colloids. Suspensions of particles larger than individual ions or molecules, but too small to be settled out by gravity. We have the Tyndall effect. Colloidal suspensions can scatter rays of light. This phenomenon is known as the Tyndall effect. Types of solutions. We have some solutions that are made by two solids, which are called alloys. Two liquids, such as soda or Coke, and gases, such as a gaseous mixture from argon and mercury that produces light we see in many brightly colored signs. Water as a solvent. In nature, water almost always exists as a solution. Why does nearly all water on Earth contain dissolved solutes? The answer has to be with the structure of water. Water is polar. Water is often called the universal solvent because it dissolves many different substances. Polar solvents dissolve polar solutes easily. Nonpolar solvents dissolve nonpolar solutes easily. Because water is a polar solvent, it dissolves most polar and ionic solutes. Factors that affect how much can dissolve. The first one is temperature. The solubility of sugar in water increases as the temperature of the water increases. This is true for many solid solutes. Some solids are less soluble in warmer liquids than in cooler ones. The difference depends on the chemical structure of the solid. How does the temperature affect the solubility of a gas in a liquid? Let's consider soda. More carbon dioxide bubbles out when you open a warm can of soda than when you open a cold can of soda. Why? This is because the solubility of a gas in a liquid decreases when the temperature of the solution increases. Why? This is because the water molecules will be moving faster at higher temperatures. This movement will bump the gas out of the solution, therefore decreases the solubility. Pressure. What keeps carbon dioxide dissolved in an opened can of soda? In a can of carbon dioxide, in the space above the liquid, soda is under pressure. This causes the gas to move in an area of lower pressure. The gas moves into the solvent and forms a solution. When you open the can, this pressure is released and the carbon dioxide gas leaves the solution. Pressure does not affect the solubility of a solid solute in a liquid. If solute and solvent particles come in contact More often, the solute dissolves faster. You can increase the contact between solvent and solute particles by steaming the solution, crushing the solute into smaller particles, increase the surface area, or heating a solution.